Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today you get to see me. Today there's a special event and this is the launch of this product somewhere behind me. Probably all of you have heard about it. This is the Oculus GO. This is the first cheaper product from Oculus, uh, built and manufactured by Xiaomi, one of my favorite companies. You guys have noticed that from a lot of my videos. We're gonna open it today, see what's inside. I'm gonna do a full test of this one and make a full review. But I'm super excited about it. One of my main reasons of buying this Oculus Go is watching TV in the bedroom, laying down while my wife sleeps next to me. I don't want to bother her with turning on the TV, the sound, and everything else. With this one, hopefully I'm gonna achieve my goal. We'll see how it's gonna go, but for now, let's go into the unboxing of the Oculus Go. Be right back. And on to the actual unboxing. But first thing first, we're gonna see what's outside of the box. As you can see, 1,000+ apps and games and movies, Netflix, Facebook. Well, obviously Facebook. Facebook is the owner of the Oculus company right now, so that's how they are managed at the moment. We have Hulu, other programs, but running the Android 7 on this device, we're going to be able to sideload many other apps. I'm going to test with huge amount of apps. Give me ideas, give me choices, give me suggestions what you want me to test, and I will be able to do it on this device. This is the 199 version. As you can see, the 32 gigabytes. What is the hardware running behind the Oculus Go is the Snapdragon 821, one of my favorite SoCs from the last couple of years, and 3 gigabytes of RAM. Alright, on the back side of the box, we're gonna see again how the Oculus look, watch, play, hang out. We'll see how the games are too. I'm not too excited about the gaming options, but if I'm able to stream from my PC to this device, will be amazing. And obviously we're here for the media, Plex, Netflix, Hulu, all the other apps. So let's go ahead and get my scissors and pop that cover real quick. I'm super happy and excited that Oculus were able to ship that as soon as possible. The product became available this week, and I ordered right away. The first day that showed up, I got an email, and it showed up today, a few days later. So very fast, great job, Oculus. I, by the way, ordered it straight from them, but it's already sold. It's other outlets like Amazon and Best Buy. Specs: high resolution display, better display than the actual Oculus, the original one, or the gaming one. Built-in immersive audio, which is streamed through the straps. I'm gonna test that as well, but I'm more excited about the 3.5mm headphone jack and plug in my actual headphones. Via web browser, 3D movies and friends, 3D, yeah, okay. 360 videos and photos, live events and concerts, okay. And on the other side, what's in this box? We have the controller, obviously, the VR headset, power adapter, AA battery, and eyeglass spacer, which is good because I'm wearing glasses, vision glasses, so we'll see how that's going to work out. And as you noticed, the Xiaomi logo right here, built by Xiaomi. And very familiar box, by the way. If you've seen my Xiaomi Mi box, how it was laid out and how it looked, pretty much the same as this one. And there it is. Once you open it, you have the actual VR set here. I'm going to put it to the side, pulling out the little controller. So when you put the battery inside, you have a touchpad that you can control. Obviously it's a controller. Back button, home button, and we have the trigger button right here. And now let me see what's inside that little box here. Okay, so this is not the sunglasses, the vision glasses spacer. We have the power adapter. Let's see what the power delivery it is in this one. We have 5 volts 2 amps, and the battery is here. We have some quick start guides and manuals, plus the micro USB cable. A lot of you will be like, oh, why not USB-C? Well, it's, you know, it's cost savings, guys, cost savings. Anyway, and we have a cleaning cloth for those lenses. You got to be careful with these lenses, not to scratch them, obviously. And this is showing you how the spacer goes between the padding and the device. And we have a little lanyard here that it's attaching to the controller for you to, you know, when you swing it around, not to hit it or let it go. And the battery, which I'm dropping, is provided by Mitsubishi Electric. Wow. Okay, great. So that's pretty much it of the unboxing. As you can see here, it shows you again what it's inside: headset, controller, lanyard, eyeglass spacer, charging cable, AA battery, and lens cloth. Very good presentation by Oculus and by Xiaomi. Again, if you are living outside of the States, most likely, or China, most likely the logo in the front of the device will be Xiaomi and on the side will be Oculus. But in the States, Oculus is in the front and Xiaomi logo is on the side. What do we have here is 3.5mm headphone jack. We have the micro USB for charging. So far I know the battery lasts between 2 and 2.5 hours depending on what you're doing. If you're watching movies, streaming TV shows, about 2.5 hours. If you're playing games, 2 hours or less, it depends. But I think it's still enough for, you know, watching some TV shows on Netflix, some movies before you go to bed, and just plug it in. And the charging time is about hour and a half. We have the volume button right here and the power button here with the status sliding indicator. On this side, nothing but the straps. Again, things are falling down. And on the back side, where the straps are, this is where the lens are, and the proximity sensor. You know, once we start using it, we're gonna peel these off and give them a try. For now, I'll keep them just so I won't scratch them. Padding is very nice. You know, if you guys are skiing or any of you are skiers, it's very familiar feeling to, you know, one of the more higher end ski masks. Very softly padded, moisture absorbing. Hopefully I'm not going to be sweating too much inside, especially now when it's hotter. We'll see how it's going to be on the nose. We have a microphone here, and that's pretty much everything about it. It will be interesting how I'm going to be able to film inside and see how, you know, how it looks. I'm going to try to find a way. Otherwise, it's going to be one boring video with all the data that I'll be talking about. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now for the unboxing. Thank you again for stepping by the channel. There will be a lot more devices coming soon, very soon. I have tons of reviews to do, a lot of follow-up reviews, but thank you for being patient. Stay with me with the channel. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Alright, this is it, guys. We did a quick unboxing of the Oculus GO, one of the most exciting products for me, at least personally, this year. I'm very excited to try it, see how it is. If it's all I was hoping for, delivering that bother-free experience for the other person in the bedroom, or, you know, being able to just stream videos and watch movies in the portable movie theater, no matter where you are. Maybe that's exactly what it is. Hopefully that's what it is. I'm really excited to give it a try and report back to you guys. So step back to the channel and check the results of that future review. For now, quick unboxing. Again, hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Stay tuned to the channel. Until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.